Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vetri Utu and I'm the CEO of Classy Cakes Nigeria. On this channel I share videos on cakes, cake business. I share practical and simple tips on how you can improve on your cake business, how to promote your cake business. I also share videos on how to create digital products. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you top 5 cake decorating tools. There are so many cake tools out there and most times beginner bakers tend to be confused. This video serves as a guide to let you know the top 5 decorating tools you should get if you're just starting out your cake decorating journey. Number 1 is your cake boards. There are different sizes and different shapes of the cake boards, and your cake boards serve as a base for the cake to rest on before decorating your cakes. So that's number 1 tool you should be looking out for. Number 2 is the turntable. Your turntable helps you to rotate the cake easily on different sides. You don't have to turn 360 degrees just because you're decorating cakes. With your turntables, you can easily rotate the cakes to different sides you want to work on. Then number 3 tool you should be looking out for as a new baker is your trimming knife. The trimming knife helps you to trim your cakes properly, prepare your cakes for decoration. So you should be looking out for a trimming knife. Then you also need spatula that will help you spread out your frosting on your cake. Your frosting, like your whipped cream frosting, buttercream frosting, it helps you to spread your frosting on your cakes. You should also look out for a scraper. That's tool number 5 is a scraper. You'll need a scraper to help you scrape off excess frosting from your cake. It also helps to smoothen the sides of your cake. If these tips or tools I shared with you were helpful to you, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. Thank you for watching.